G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty at Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning home, 24 Magellan Circuit in the popular and centrally located suburb of Urraween. We are only minutes away from Hervey Bay's key amenities. Let's go and take a look around. This inner suburban oasis was completed in 2009 and is positioned on a low maintenance 525 square metre allotment with space to accommodate a caravan or RV, making it an ideal home base to return to from your nomadic travels. Immaculate and beautifully presented in the highly sought after suburb of Urraween, centrally located close to key amenities which do include the Magellan Shopping Centre, hospitals, medical centres, the golf course and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. Enter and be welcomed by an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics and an open light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that really create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is definitely more than meets the eye with this home, with an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The stylish kitchen really does form the heart of this home and has recently been upgraded to include a large serving bench for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and special occasions. There is loads of storage and quality appliances including electric cooktop with range hood, dishwasher and pantry. This highly functional home utilises its space perfectly with vast indoor living spaces which seamlessly open out to the outdoor alfresco entertaining area where you'll be able to take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate, the ideal place for hosting an array of life events. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the split system air conditioning when desired and taking a dip in the beautiful sparkling in-ground pool. This home offers great separation and privacy for everyone, with 3 of the 4 bedrooms being located away from the main entertaining zones and serviced by the main bathroom with separate toilet and powder room. All 4 bedrooms include built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom does include split system air conditioning in addition to the ceiling fan with a walk-through wardrobe into the lavish ensuite. There is also a separate study that could make up a 5th bedroom when required for those unexpected guests and family who are sure to arrive once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the spacious double garage with panel lift door and internal access, as well as we do have clear side access and room to accommodate caravans and boats. The owners of this beautiful home have committed to selling and are now calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.